Introduction. In the Islamic faith, the hijab, a modest dress code for Muslim women, carries deep meaning and significance. Beyond being a simple garment, the hijab represents a way of life, reflecting religious devotion and embodying a set of values. In this video, we explore 10 compelling reasons why hijab holds great importance in Islam, shedding light on the multifaceted aspects that make it a cherished practice among Muslim women worldwide. 10. Promoting gender equality. Hijab promotes gender equality within Islam by emphasizing that both men and women have responsibilities to maintain modesty and adhere to Islamic principles. It discourages objectification and fosters an understanding that true worth lies in piety, character, and moral conduct rather than gender or physical appearance. 9. Strengthening spiritual connection. Hijab serves as a reminder of one's commitment to Islam and encourages spiritual reflection. It can deepen a Muslim woman's connection with God, as the act of wearing the hijab becomes a constant symbol of devotion and a reminder to live a righteous life. 8. Protection from negative influences. Hijab acts as a shield against the negative influences of society, such as objectification, materialism, and societal pressures. By adhering to the principles of hijab, Muslim women are less likely to be swayed by unhealthy societal standards and can maintain their values and integrity. 7. Cultivating humility and inner beauty. Wearing the hijab cultivates humility by reminding individuals that true beauty lies in their character, actions, and values. It encourages a focus on developing inner beauty and virtues, fostering a sense of humility and groundedness. 6. Establishing modesty in society. The presence of the hijab in society promotes an environment of modesty and respect. It helps establish boundaries between genders and encourages a more dignified and chaste interaction between individuals. 5. Empowering women. Hijab empowers Muslim women by redirecting the emphasis from outward appearances to inner qualities and achievements. It allows them to be valued for their intellect, skills, and contributions, rather than their looks, fostering a sense of self-worth and confidence. 4. Guarding against unwanted attention. The hijab acts as a barrier, protecting Muslim women from unwanted attention, harassment, and advances. By concealing their physical beauty, it encourages others to focus on their intellect, personality, and character instead. 3. Symbol of identity. Hijab is a visible symbol of a Muslim woman's identity and her affiliation with Islam. It allows her to openly express her religious beliefs and serves as a reminder of her commitment to Islamic values. 2. Preserving modesty and honor. Hijab serves as a means to protect a woman's modesty and maintain her dignity. By covering their bodies, Muslim women are shielded from objectification, reducing the chances of being judged solely based on physical appearance. 1. Upholding religious duty. Wearing the hijab is viewed as an act of fulfilling religious obligations and obeying God's commandments, as outlined in the Quran and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It demonstrates a Muslim woman's commitment to her faith. Conclusion. These 10 compelling reasons showcase the significance of hijab in Islam, highlighting its role in preserving modesty, fostering self-respect, empowering women, and nurturing a deeper connection with God. It is important to recognize that the decision to wear hijab is a personal choice made by Muslim women, influenced by their faith, understanding, and personal convictions. Please subscribe and press bell icon.